Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the myCADtools myCADpassport. You can use this to access your myCAD collaboration suite and various setup and settings. To access it, go to your Windows taskbar and select myCADpassport. From here, change your settings, show logs. You can restart or close all SOLIDWORKS windows. You can use a wizard to copy your settings to another computer. You can change the settings for your Find Documents database. You can access your task planner to see your tasks that you've scheduled. You can change various settings such as language, what is the latest version of SOLIDWORKS to use. You can even lock your settings with a password. You can select Check Available Version to see if there's a later version to upgrade. If there is, you can simply click Download and install. Or you can even use the Find Documents tool. Thank you for watching.